Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus here at 401 Olo Street, apartment 31, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a luxury loft-style apartment here in the former church parish in Woonsocket, 1 bed, 1 bath. And we're going to begin our walkthrough here right on the first level. So this first floor houses a new vinyl wood flooring. The entire unit houses a fresh coat of paint, high ceilings, plenty of space throughout, a couple of mini splits for your central AC and heat system. But on this first floor, you do have the kitchen setup with all new stainless appliances. You also have plenty of newer cabinetry and wide open newer countertops with some extra outlets for other kitchen plugins. And this space can act, of course, as your living area as well. A couple of bright open windows towards this side. Give you another perspective towards the entryway of the unit. But you do have additional closets down here as well for some storage. Of course, the main entryway is housed over here. And next to the main entryway is your bathroom, housing a stand-up shower, large sink vanity, and large mirror vanity. Perfect. So the bathroom, living area, and kitchen. But finally, we'll check out that loft-style bedroom up the stairwell. Perfect for a queen bed set. This loft-style bedroom houses an additional closet for some storage, along with some racks for other types of storage and some additional shelving. Check it on out. Again, this space is perfect for a queen bed set. You got a bright window right there for some extra sunshine. Once again, closet space, some shelves and racks for other storage. Give you guys another shot from this angle, just showing off the space in this luxury loft style apartment. Awesome. So once again, this is 401 Olo Street, apartment 31 here in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel. That way you can keep up to date with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located on that website as well. Thank you very much.